Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So in the previous JavaScript introduction, I told what about JavaScript is and where JavaScript can be utilized in the multiple areas like web development, full stack, in the part of the front end, in the part of the back end, in the part of the blockchain, in the part of the gaming development. All these things we already discussed so far. But as I promised to you, before JavaScript, there are two important web components are very important. Those things are actually HTML and CSS. Yes. So before entering into the JavaScript programming, I want to give you a clarity on HTML and I want to give you a clarity on CSS also. Yes, we will go through the HTML from scratch to end, and we will go through the CSS from scratch to end. Then we will jump into the JavaScript programming. Okay. So I already told you, basically, whenever you want to design a website, fundamentally, for example, if I want to build a Amazon kind of site, what HTML purpose is, what CSS purpose is, what JavaScript purpose is. There are three important components which are going to be involving in the part of the web user interface. When you take the web UI, web user interface, web user interface, so this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript plays a major role basically. Okay, so now come to the HTML. So simply HTML is hypertext markup language. HTML is hypertext markup language. That's all. HTML is hypertext markup language and CSS is cascading style sheets. CSS means cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. Okay. Cascading style sheet. CSS is cascading style sheets. JS nothing but JavaScript. JS nothing but JavaScript. What the JavaScript is? It's a programming. It's a programming. Okay, it's a programming language. JavaScript is basically a programming language to functioning the pages. To functioning the pages. Okay, what HTML is? HTML is skeleton design part. Okay, so you have beautiful designs like tables, forms, buttons, hyperlinks, images, and paragraphs and headings, all these things, skeleton and design. Okay, this is something like a tags and components. Tags. We will be having a lot of HTML tags to design the page. To design the page, we will be having a lot of tags. Okay, I will explain all the tags, how to write HTML and how to execute HTML, all these things. And CSS is basically using for styling purpose. Styling purpose. Okay, it means what? Styling purpose. It means what? Okay, skeleton is ready, but for that particular skeleton, I want to give some decorations. I want to provide some style. I want to make the page beauty or beautiful. So how to make these pages beautiful using by the CSS, using by the CSS syntax. Okay, so I am trying to providing you all the syntaxes which are going to be available to provide this particular CSS to provide for the HTML kind of thing. Now come to the JavaScript. What JavaScript role basically? Okay, you can design the things and you can decorate the things. It is not over. So whenever you do something here, this is something like a dummy toy. This is just like a beautiful toy, a dummy toy. This is simply a dummy toy. So dummy toy. So when you design something that is dummy, that is static, but I want to make it dynamic. Okay, I want to make it dynamic. Dynamic means what? I need to give some functioning for that. Whenever you want to give the functioning for your HTML and CSS, then JavaScript come into the picture. Okay, wait. I want to make you wake up and I just want to making you functioning. So please inject this JavaScript for this HTML CSS pages. Inject JavaScript for this HTML CSS pages. Then automatically what is happening? Totally now blue color. I'm just giving it blue color with the combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now this toy is functioning toy, not a dummy toy. This is functioning toy. Functioning toy. Okay, so what is the meaning of a functioning toy? I will tell you. I will show you how this JavaScript is basically work in the real time. For example, if I open Amazon.in, if I open Amazon.in, suppose when I search for Amazon.in, some page is coming. Okay, search means what? You are sending some request to the Amazon server. You are sending one request to the Amazon server. Request is going to be sending by server side programming language. But that request is what? What kind of request? That is basically JavaScript role. JavaScript role is designing the request and sending the request to the server side. Server processes that particular request and it is asking the database what kind of data Amazon is going to be having. Now I have the data. I have the data here. Everything is data. So I have lot of products which are going to be available in Amazon, and I can able to search for products here. Okay, I want to search for iPhone. For example, I want to search for iPhone. I am trying to typing something. When I am clicking on the search button, if it is not go to the server, your web page is not having JavaScript. But whenever you are clicking on the button, this request is sending to the server. Yes, when the request is sending to the server, server is responding you and giving the data back. That is what actually JavaScript. Now, this Amazon is giving iPhones, lot of iPhones. When I click on the search button, I got iPhones. Response came. Request sent, response came. So your request is processing by the JavaScript and response taking by the JavaScript and displaying all the content on top of the pages also JavaScript role. So there are a lot of products which are going to be displaying here. That is also JavaScript role. But these products are actually neatly displaying. Neatly displaying means what? Neatly displaying. So there is no suppose one product is coming here, another product is coming here, another product is coming here, another product is coming here. This is not looking good actually. But how this is going to be making beautiful? All the products are similar in the page. All the products are similar row by row. All the products are going to be showing row by row here. See, the first product, iPhone 15, the same area in the next line, next row, iPhone 16 is coming. That role, that role is basically playing by the CSS. CSS is neatly arranging the items one after another properly in the beautiful manner. That is the concept of CSS. That is the concept of CSS. And come to the HTML role. What is the HTML role? HTML role is something like I am displaying some content here, na? I am displaying some content here, na? This is your HTML tag. And again, I'm displaying some button here, na? This is the HTML role. HTML is just design. The beautiness is taken care by the CSS. And functioning is going to be taken care by the JavaScript. Getting my point, everyone? HTML role is just creating the items. HTML role is just creating the items. CSS role is showing content in beautiful manner on the top of the pages. That is the CSS part. Next, JavaScript role is different. JavaScript role is making the pages functional. Making the pages functional. This page is functioning. This page is responding with me. Whatever you ask, it is giving to you. For example, I want to go for electronics. Yes, all the electronics are coming. All the electronic products are coming. If I am searching for different item, I want to search for cameras and photography. If you search for cameras and photography, there are multiple different kind of items are coming. Okay, I want to search for laptops. For example, if I want to search for shoe, when you search for shoe, all the shoe related items are coming here. Shoe related items. Pages are changing. Pages are changing based on your request. Based on your request, response is coming. Based on your request, response is coming. It means this web page is functional. This web page is getting dynamic data. This is not a dead one. This is a live one. This is alive. This is alive. Whatever you ask, that is going to be coming back. Okay, if you want to sign in, you can do the sign in here. If you want to add the product to the cart, you can do add product to the cart. If you want to purchase, yes, purchase is also available in the pages. And number of operations which are going to be working through the JavaScript. JavaScript is actually playing a major role in the website designing part or website development part. That is the very reason. That is the very reason JavaScript is number one programming language in the world. You search in Google, what is the best programming language in 2010? Sorry, 2025. Top 10 programming languages in 2025. The first programming language comes to JavaScript. Yes, Python is competing. Python, JavaScript is always competing now. Nobody is going for Java. Olden days, people are going for Java, 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 Java. But nowadays, people are looking into the Python or JavaScript. If both you know, if both you know, oh, wonderful. That is Python full stack. You will be you will be a Python full stack developer. You are going to be getting jobs very, very soon. After learning the Python full stack course, in the back end you are learning Python, in the front end you are learning JavaScript, React JS. You be the master in the full stack. Then your job is very easy. So our Mohansh Technology is going to be having a full stack courses for the Python full stack or MERN stack, mean stack kind of things. Later I will announce it. But right now, these particular classes, whatever I'm going to deal, all these are free. Okay, so October 2nd, we are starting the new batch for UI development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to 30 days. That 30 days essential course you can join and you can understand what the things are going to be happening with. And again, I am uploading all the videos, all the 30 days videos in the YouTube only. I will prepare in the folder the class one, something free class, something like that. Free class in the October, something like that. But these classes also upload in the YouTube. Whatever the classes I'm recording for the YouTube, I will upload and I will teach step by step, no worries. But here I will upload exclusively 200 plus videos, not 30-day video like that. On top of the JavaScript, any new concept comes automatically in the YouTube, I will upload. All the topics are free. You can learn freely. Okay, so and one more thing, our Mohan's Technology is online platform. We don't have offline platform, and we are going to be focusing on emerging technologies like we will be having a blockchain, we will be having quantum computing, and we will be having the cybersecurity in the cybersecurity ethical hacking and IAM products like PingFederate, Ping Access, and Okta, CyberArk. The same time SOC. And coming to this programming way, we will be having the cloud computing, we will be having the Gen AI, and we will be having the quantum computing, we will be having the blockchain Web3.js, blockchain Python, and full stack Python, and full stack Marn stack, and we will be having mobile app development also. We will be having lot of products, but any paid course you join, that is going to be finished by the 45 days. We don't want to waste you people time. If it is needed every day, 2 hours I will take, and I will finish every course in 45 days only. Okay, so our agenda is different. Our agenda is everybody need to get the job. Sir, job market is there. So many people are actually saying that jobs are not there, IT down, and system is not good. Something is going to be happen. Sir, if you have the talent, if you have the subject properly, you learn subject properly, you attend your interviews properly, you can get the job. But we are here to train you in the proper way. Then we will make you better in the interview attendance. Like we will have some mock-up interviews and we will prepare a different kind of interview questions, typical beginner to mastery level interview questions. So all the things we will prepare you and we will push you into the jobs. That is our Mohan's Technologies agenda. Okay, so in the coming class, I will explore the HTML in editors. Okay, I will install the editor for the HTML and I will try to write some different kind of tags for you in the part of the HTML. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you don't subscribe so far now, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Whatever the video I upload, immediately you will be getting the notification and you can able to learn the subject. That is a major agenda, guys. Okay. See you signing off. We'll meet in the next video with the HTML program. We will write the program. Okay, write down. Bye for now.